Assalamualaikum everybody, how are you doing? Alhamdulillah, I'm doing great. I'm Fahmida Faysal Ayesha. Now I'm going to share my idea about how to pronounce alphabet correctly, aspirated sounds, name of 6 seasons, name of 7 days and others. So let's get started. Alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, G. Again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, G. The next part is aspirated sounds. There are 3 types of aspirated sounds in English. Number 1, P. For example, we can say pen, pencil, popcorn, penguin, etc. Number 2, T. For example, we can say pen, top, tax, taxi, tension, etc. Number 3, C, K, Q. For example, we can say cream, keep, question, communication, competition, etc. The next part is name of 6 seasons in British accent. There are 6 seasons in a year. They are summer, rainy, autumn, late autumn, winter, spring. The next part is name of 7 days in British accent. There are 7 days in a week. They are Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. The next part is correct pronunciation of some common words. 1. Incorrect initial. Correct initial. 2. Incorrect presidential. Correct presidential. 3. Incorrect essential. Correct essential. 4. Incorrect partial. Correct partial. So thank you so much for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.